This is a review for Fantaseal. So I've been needing something to hold my camera and my cell phone when I'm taking video. I saw this on Amazon. It has 122 reviews. It's not really that much, but the reviews are actually good. And it looks like it's doing its job, you know, for a beginner on YouTube. So this is from Amazon, from where I bought it from. That's how it should be. And these are the stuff. We'll figure out how to mount it. So the heck, peeps, the smell of this smells like cigarette. Whoever sold this was smoking. So I was wondering before why is it too loose. I thought it's too loose, and I was trying to kind of screw it like this, but that's not how you screw it in. That's not how you make it tighter. So if you use this, if you tighten this, so as this tightens as well. So the control of this is this thing. So if you tighten this, this tightens as well, this and this, both of them. Now it comes with this. These are for GoPros. These are 3 kinds of mounts for GoPro. And this is how you lock the GoPro. This thing, I was wondering about what is this for the first time I saw it. This is actually for the alligator clamp. This is an alligator clamp. Actually, see this thing? This gets wider or narrower. Like this. This is really cool, and this is heavy, so this seems sturdy. So this thing, this rubber thing, is actually for this, the clamp's mouth. So I am thinking that over time, this clamp's mouth are gonna come off, and you need to replace that with this. So you gotta keep this. And also, this is an adapter. This thing is an adapter for different kinds of stuff that you can connect. You can mount adapter. And this thing is for shoe mount. So you can connect this together and connect it to the camera. Now this is one of my favorites. This is for the phone. This is a clamp for the phone. See? And then you can adjust the height for, if you have a wider phone, you can adjust this. See this thing? Okay. This purpose is to make it wider. So as you do this, it's going to be wider. Now you want it narrower, you do it this side, this way. If you want it narrower, this is how you do it. Perfect. So now if you want to, let's say we want to, okay, let's connect this alligator clamp. Let's connect this in here at the end. And then on the other side, let's connect the phone clamp right here. No, it's still wobbly because we haven't locked this yet with this. So you lock it, but yeah, right now it's pretty sturdy. This is actually pretty heavy. So yeah, this is not a, but this one though, it's a little cheap. This is like a cheap material right here, and this, the silver ones. But this thing, that body is really heavy, and the clamp is heavy, and the phone clamp though is plastic here. This is plastic. Yeah, the phone clamp is plastic, so you gotta be careful using this so that it won't break faster. But other than that, this is really sturdy. So let's try to connect it. So let's connect this here. So let's try to connect our phone. Yeah, it's connected here. And we want to make it higher maybe. You see? Right there. You can also move it like this. Connect it this way. Or you can do it this way. Or this way. Turn it. You can turn it, or you can make it tighter. You can make it tighter here. And yeah. So yeah, if you have a GoPro, right, like this, you can replace that with this. So let's see first which one is gonna fit in here. Like this one. So this is the thing that comes with it. And this is my GoPro. You put it in here. And then you lock it with the GoPro lock that comes with it. And then connect it. Oops. And then tighten it. You position it wherever you want. If you want it like this, and then you tighten it. There you go. It's really sturdy. And then you connect that clamp to anywhere you want. So it's pretty good. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, make it tighter. You can make it tighter there, tighter here, tighter here. Yeah. It's very good stuff. So I bought this thing for $26.91. Yeah, I bought it for $26.91. But now the price of this is more expensive. It's $29.91. The price changes a lot on Amazon, like really fast. It fluctuates. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my mount. This is called Magic Arm. by Fantaseal. This is my camera tripod. So we will need adapter. So we have this adapter that comes with a package. Let's connect it here. Now let's go get the stuff. Let's connect this here. Yeah, I don't need this because I will need the phone. Let's connect the phone clamp. Yep. I think so far it's pretty good. Alright, you could change the position. Just loosen it. So do it this way. Or this way. You gotta tighten it.
Love to be the one who'd always say that I love you back.
It works. Now, this is gonna